welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. I know I've been not filming at all recently. I had some things come up personally in my life and I wasn't feeling myself. I wasn't feeling like filming and just putting out half-assed stuff for you guys. So yeah, I've been kind of gone. I have been working on growing my Instagram though. Well, I haven't been filming so much here. I've been growing over there. So please do go on Instagram and follow me at Minsbeauty86. And yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm feeling more myself. So I have a lot of videos that I have to catch up on. So yes, I gotta stop saying so. I feel so rusty. I'm out of my filming routine. So again, with the sew. Today we have Boxycharm unboxing. I will be doing the try-on style. I'm so excited for this box. So amazing. This is for the month of November. And again, this is just the regular Boxycharm. It's not the luxe, it's not the premium, it's not the whatever. It's just the regular one. And yes, I did create this look. So again, let's hop into it. Alright guys, so I did already have a peek inside of the box because I wanted to just know. And then I did end up swatching the palette in there because I just couldn't wait. But you open it up and they changed it up. It's now like this pinky red inside. I absolutely love it. You get this little card. It is Boxycharm Stellar this month. I got variation number 17. I don't know if you guys can see that at the bottom, if it's going to focus on it. And when you open it up, it just gives a list of everything inside and the retail price of all the products. So let's hop right into it. The first thing I'm going to pull out is by Kypris. I think that's how you say it. It is the Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. It says Antioxidant Dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nourishing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. Whoa, this retails for $90. That seems insane. Okay, so we're gonna open up this $90 magic face serum here. Ooh, I like the bottle. It's like a glass, it feels like. Let's give it a shake. Oh, it's like a milky white kind of substance. I'm going to apply a few drops to my face. Excuse my hair today. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I just, haven't been feeling myself lately, and my hair is just something that I'm not doing right now. Even as a hairdresser and whatever. I'm slowly feeling back to normal, so expect to see me around a little more. Oh, this stuff smells earthy, I want to say. It feels nice on the skin. It's soaking into the skin nicely. It's starting to dry down. Actually, it feels a little tacky, which will be good for foundation sticking to it, I'm hoping. And I quite like the smell. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see. It did leave like a glowy touch to the skin. Alright guys, the next thing I'm pulling out of the box, I am so excited for this. This is by Gerard Cosmetics. It is the Celestial Thunder palette. This retails for $35. It says it is an explosion of vivid pigments, shadows, and glittery foils with 8 uniquely formulated shades for a creative, colorful eye look or a simple pop of electric color. These vibrantly made shades tell a cosmic story and bring the universe to life. Retails for $35. This is a small version of the Celestial Storm that she just came out with, and I cannot wait to dive right into these colors. I did swatch it already. I will leave those right here for you to have a quick look at. And let's hop into creating an eye look with it. I just went and threw on some of these Line and Define eye tapes from e.l.f. I've never used these before, so I really wanted to try. And I'm just going to go in and quickly prime my eye with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer. Okay, all of these shades are so beautiful. I have no idea what I want to do. I'm going to go in with this pink one in Lucid Dreams. And I'm going to just start putting that in slightly above the crease. And I'm using a Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it. This was from like one of the eye sets, I do believe. Now I'm just going to take a smaller brush. This is a Luxie mini flat angle brush, and I'm going to go back in with that pink, and I'm going to put this like right in my crease. Just really deepen up that crease portion. Now going in with Mystic Ice, I'm going to start putting that in, but I'm not going to be bringing it up quite as high as the pink. All right, now I'm going to go in and just quickly cut this crease out. All right, now with the MAC 239, I'm going to go back into Mystic Ice. This is such a beautiful shade, oh my goodness. I'm going to start layering that in between, or right in front of this purple, where it turns purple because of the blue. All right, now with the same MAC 239, but I did wipe it off, I'm going to go in with Eternal Light right here, and I am going to use it wet just so I can get the most. I would use my finger, but I have these crazy nails on right now, so we're gonna use it wet. And that's just going to go into the front portion of the look. Now I'm just going to flip it over and dip into some of that blue Mystic Ice just so I can blend over this line here and blend those two shades in together a little better. Now I'm going to take my Tom Ford number 13 blending brush, and I want to try some of this orange. I'm just using all the shades right now. I'm gonna put this, blend this out right above that pink. All right, so I'm really liking how this is looking so far. I'm going to peel these things off. Ooh, look at that. Those things work actually really well. I don't know why. I have never used them before, but I should use them more often. All right, so I'm going to quickly jump off and finish my liner and my brows and throw on some foundation before we come back and talk about the rest of the box. So hold on. All right, guys, I am back. I did quickly, finish. I did the lower lash line. I just mixed the blue and the pink together, put it under there, added my rest of my face. And this eye look, I think, came out beautiful. I'm loving the colors of it. It performed amazing. So happy. Also in the box, we did get this sample. There was either a foundation or a concealer that you were going to get. I got the concealer, the Pretty Vulgar. So I used the lightest one for under my eyes. I'm going to go and update my complexion form on Boxycharm because they're going to start adding more foundations and concealers into boxes, so that's awesome. All right, the next thing I'm pulling out of the box, I am not going to be putting it on my lips today. It is a Dose of Colors lipstick in the shade Date Night. This retails for $18. I'm not wearing the shade today because it's not going to match my eye look, but I will do a swatch. It is a beautiful bright red, and this will be so much fun for upcoming holiday looks that I have planned. So that's that. Excited. I like Dose of Color lipsticks. The formula is amazing. The next thing I'm pulling out here, I have two sheet masks by Haru. I have no idea how to pronounce that. These retail for $9. It is the Wonder McKay Berry Antioxidant Mask Set. I love getting sheet masks. My girls and I do them together all the time, so I won't be using that right now. The very last thing I'm pulling out is by Milk Makeup. This is the holographic stick. This retails for $28. I got mine in the shade Stardust. I don't know if you can see that. I will open it up. I love the packaging of it. It comes in a little tube. You open it up, and then it's inside of this other tube. It just looks so beautiful. It comes with, I always keep these little covers right here that go on because I find they'll dry out without them. This is a highlighter stick. Let me do a swatch here, see if you guys can see. That is what it looks like. I'm not going to be using it on my face as a highlighter, but I am going to take a small brush and I'm going to put it in my inner corners. So I will add up the total value of the box and leave that right here for you. All in all, this month's box I am quite pleased with. I will get use out of everything in there. I don't know how often I'm going to use this pink holographic highlighter, but I don't know, it can come in handy sometimes, especially when you're doing fantasy looks or whatever else. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like these videos, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, you know you gotta hit the bell. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Minsbeauty86. I have been trying really hard to grow that recently, especially with me taking my break from YouTube here. So yeah, don't forget to go check that out and hit the subscribe button, go follow me over there, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day.